How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can draw or insert geometric shapes in GIMP. So let's get started. First things first, you want to open up a new file. Now, of course, you can customize this according to your preference, but in my case, I'm just going to click on continue. Now, the tool that we are looking for is this tool right here. Now, you could basically do two things, which is to use the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool. So first things first, let's use the ellipse tool. You could just press and drag it over to the canvas that you have right here. You could also click on edit and then you will be able to fill it according to your preference. Now let's go ahead and use the other one, which is the ellipse tool. And then once again, you could just click on edit. And if you want to apply another colors, you could click on this color icon and then maybe we could do something like blue, click on OK, edit, and then let's fill it with the color blue. And so that's how easy it is to draw and insert geometric shapes in GIMP. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.